Hi, this is Kevin Alexander with Alta Vista Technology, and today we're going to take a look at some of the modern client enhancements in Dynamics Business Central 2020 Release Wave 1. Role Explorer has been enhanced to make finding things even easier. So coming up, let's enter Role Explorer. And within inside Role Explorer, now we have a find feature. We can start typing in what we're looking for. If I start typing in deferrals, notice that within inside of the role, it starts to highlight the results for what I'm trying to find. And you can do this with all roles, including is the new non-interactive printing interface. So let's go take a look. We can go into printer management. And from here inside printer management, I can look at printer selections. I can look at printer selections for just my user and specify what my default printer is going to be, or I can specify for an individual which printer I would like certain reports to go. So in finance, I can print reports to a specific printer that's different than from my operations group. Prior to this release, we were able to personalize the form specific to an individual. And now in the 2020 release wave 1, we're able to personalize roles for a whole role set. You do that by entering profiles. Coming into profiles, we can go to profile roles. And inside of profile roles, we'll look at our business manager role. And in here we have a lot of control over setting up and configuring role files specific to this profile ID. So now we can go to customize pages and customize all the pages for the business manager role. Once that's complete, we're able to go back into profiles and into our profile manager and export these roles and import into other environments as well. So from our test or sandbox environment, we could import the role into production, making it a lot easier to give a common interface across all of the individuals of a specific role ID. For both users and developers, in this new wave, we're able to add and subtract parts on a page and make them visible a lot easier than previously. So going into our customers, we'll select a customer. And over here on the right, looking at fact boxes, we can come into personalize now. And now we can look inside of the fact box area and we can see complete sections, right, that have been hidden. So even easier than before, we're able now to show and hide these sections on the form. So if we have a group of users who are not ready for this functionality yet, we can hide that for future use. From list pages, we could now go to information about related records. So in sales invoices here, if I select the customer record, notice now that I get a dialog box below that shows me more information about that particular customer. And if I wish, I can simply open that up and go right to that customer's card. Improvements have been made to pages that have multiple parts for easier viewing. Using bank reconciliations as an example, we'll go into our bank rec and we'll look at this bank reconciliation process. And now you can see on the form, going full view here, that it is laid out side by side, making it much easier to compare information across both sides of the form. Users now have the ability to bookmark reports. Coming to our reports area, looking at our financial reports, we'll use the income statement as the example. When I open that up here at the top, we're able to add a bookmark to the role center. Selecting the bookmark, and we'll go ahead and cancel this. We'll now see that we have the income statement added to our role center. Users can now navigate lists and enter data much more easily than before. Navigating over to customers. And in this list, users can now use the arrow keys to navigate the fields and rows within inside the list. Going to a specific record now, users can use the F2 key to either highlight the complete field or use it to toggle to the end if they needed to enter more data quickly or navigate to do some editing. This has been a brief introduction of the modern client enhancements in Dynamics Business Central 2020 Release Wave 1. Thanks for watching this video. If you have any questions about Business Central, please give us a call. And if you like the video, please follow the links and subscribe to our channel.